The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Well, clouds did decrease here later this afternoon. It was a breezy day, no doubt, and it was a warm day across southwest central and south side Virginia. Peak wind gusts I could find here over the last about 12 hours or so, 33 miles per hour in Hot Springs, also into Wytheville. Had wind gusts over 20 miles per hour in Roanoke, Lynchburg, at Smith Mountain Lake, even a 30-mile-per-hour wind gust in South Boston. So it was, again, a very breezy day for us, but it was a very warm day. Felt every bit like May outside for us today. The winds not as strong right now as they were just 3-4 hours ago. Winds sustained anywhere between about 5 and 15 miles per hour as we speak. But here's the deal. Tomorrow, the winds pick back up again. Looking at sustained winds tomorrow, roughly 8 to 16 miles per hour. Going to have some gusts about 25 to 35 miles per hour. Winds are going to be stronger tomorrow per usual in the mountains than they will be towards the Piedmont, but everybody is going to be breezy as we close out the work week. Local view showing that the clouds and showers that we had earlier in the day now gone. Not everybody got wet by any means. The rain was pretty isolated in nature, but the clouds were fairly widespread, and those clouds are even on their way out of here. All right, I do want to show you Future Tracker, and you'll notice, friends, that as we go throughout the course of the overnight tonight, may have one little ribbon of energy producing maybe a stray rain shower into our far westernmost counties. Overall, though, tonight, I just think that skies are going to be partly cloudy. Now, Friday is going to be a day where we see more sunshine early in the day and more cloud cover later in the day. So we'll call it partly sunny tomorrow, but it looks like clouds are actually going to thicken a wee bit as we head throughout the day on Friday. Then Friday night looks to be a time frame for us. We're going to have variably cloudy skies on tap, and then Saturday at 7 a.m. looks like we may have some showers to contend with very early on, say around daybreak, along that I-77 corridor, but the precipitation overspreads the region here as we head throughout the morning into the afternoon hours. Notice that there is some pink showing up here on this graphic. Areas north of 460, especially areas north of Interstate 64. We'll have the chance for maybe a little bit of freezing rain and sleet and maybe even a couple of snowflakes Saturday morning. By Saturday afternoon, looks like most of us, if not all of us, will be just dealing with rain. And the trend will be for these rain showers to diminish closer to dinner time on Saturday. All right, let's talk temperatures right now. It is 76 in Roanoke, 63 though Wytheville, 70 in Blacksburg, 73 in Danville, also in South Boston. Hotspot right now, Lynchburg, you're at 78. Jet stream situated such that we're in a warm sector. You don't need me to tell you that if you spent some time outside today, right? But look what happens to that jet stream as we head into the weekend. It takes a big old dip to the south, and therefore we're going to turn much colder as we head into Saturday. A brief cold down, okay? Because by the time we look at Sunday, by the time we look at Monday, temperatures are right back into the 60s. So we're going to be very chilly on Saturday, but it's a brief cool down. So for tonight, it looks like we're going to be breezy at times, going to be on the mild side for sure. Overnight lows in the 40s and 50s. Now your 3-day zone by zone forecast showing temperatures in the 50s in the NRV Friday and Sunday. Saturday, upper 30s to near 40. In the highlands, your best chance for precipitation will be Saturday. And again, you could start out as a wintry mix before changing over to a chilly rain as the day goes on. In south side, your wettest day Saturday too, but it's just plain cool rain for you across south side locations on Saturday. Lynchburg, look at the temperature roller coaster. 64 Friday, then down to 43 Saturday, right back up to 60 to 65 Sunday through Thursday of next week. So really, there's just one little fly in the ointment over the next 7 days, and that will be Saturday. Where's Waldo? he's on Saturday for sure. Across the Roanoke Valley, you're looking at the chance for rain Saturday, drying out a bit on Sunday, more rain chances next Monday, and then again next Thursday.